Today we're doing a sponsored review of this HostSmart solar driveway alarm with phone app. This thing was actually pretty cool. It comes with everything that you need to set up a driveway alarm and hook it up to your phone. Comes with the solar panel, some brackets, the charger, as well as the base, and it comes with some mounting screws as well, and an instruction manual that'll walk you step by step all the features, the functionality, how to set everything up, including where to get the app from. There is some QR codes that you can scan inside there to download the app. So to set this up, it's actually pretty easy. You just download the app using the QR code in the instruction manual. Once you've downloaded that app there, it's going to ask you to create an account using an email and a password. And once you go ahead and enter that information in, it's going to send you a verification email with a code that you'll go ahead and place the code in. And then that's going to activate the account and it's going to take you back to the login page. Once you're on the login page, you just go ahead and enter the email address and password that you use to set up the account. It's going to show you where to add a device, also how to check the alarm messages, and then also where the devices are located. So like this one is set up for my home specifically, so you can switch homes or devices. So the next thing you do is you're going to go ahead and click the add device there, and you're going to allow all the different permissions that are needed. Then you're going to make sure the home is selected there, and down at the bottom is a next button. From here, it's going to ask you to pair the base up with the app there. The way you do it is you're going to be able to turn the base on. It's going to talk to you, and you want to check the status light. You want to make sure that it is blinking red. That means that it's in the pairing mode. You want to make sure you allow everything to have the permissions to take the pictures of the QR code on the back of the base. Once you enter the QR code by either scanning it in or entering it manually, it's going to ask you to go ahead and connect to the Wi-Fi. It's going to ask you to connect to your Wi-Fi by entering your password and everything in there that is your Wi-Fi for your area. And once it's connected, it'll say added connect successfully. And then you're going to be able to click next. The next thing you're going to do is then going to make sure that the sensors are paired before you first use them. You click next. And then you see on the sensor there's going to be a high, low, off button. You're going to be able to essentially turn that on with the different channels as well and pair it with the base. Very easy. It's going to chirp, it's going to talk to you, and you might actually start getting some alerts saying, hey, there's someone at the door. But really, you just went ahead and it means that everything paired successfully and it's starting to work. Very easy to set this thing up. Everything walks you through step by step, everything that you need there. You have the different lights and the triggers and the buttons depending on which alarm system you want to use, the solar panel that it's connected or paired to. It's going to give you prompts so that you can make sure that everything is connected. Also, you want to make sure that it's fully charged before you set up the sensor. Make sure you have the spacing right. It shows you some diagrams on where everything kind of triggers that sensor, and you can add up those devices. This is what it looks like on the alert screen on your cell phone. Obviously, you see it kept on going off, and then when you click in the app, it also gives you like time stamps. So if you're looking for a new solar driveway alarm system, highly recommend you pick up one of these. Super easy to use.